Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Manadia token. Now before we start the video, let's hear my legal disclaimer. This video is only for education purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, Manadia is a blockchain infrastructure project designed to enable verifiable privacy preserving coordination and settlement for AI agents and Web3 applications. Core purpose: it functions as a low-cost trust data settlement layer, transforming real-world signal and AI compute into provable on-chain value. Key technology: the architecture integrates advanced cryptography like zero-knowledge proofs for privacy and user long-term state trees to enable autonomous AI agents coordination. Ecosystem focus: it connects to very vertical applications like gaming and social platform, aiming to structure user actively into verifiable digital assets. Manadia project institution rating is 3.8. Manadia token total supply is not showing yet, and circulating supply is around 50 million UMXM token. UMXM token is listed on Bitget, MEXC, Kraken, and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 70% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.